Hi, it's Chris from Duffy Floors. I happen to be here in Dartmouth, Mass, working on a Brazilian cherry floor, which is an empty house that we're working in during the COVID-19 outbreak. But during this outbreak, we are limiting our estimators going out to look at jobs. So if you have a job that you need done, we can give you a virtual estimate. So what I need you to do is to email me pictures of the job, the type of wood, the condition it's in is what I'm looking for, and what you want to do with the floors, whether you want to stain them or go with a natural polyurethane, or whether you need installation services or patching services. We can do it all, and we can do it virtually, so we do not have to visit your house for these estimates. All you need to do is either email me, I'm at chris@duffyfloors.com, or you could go on my website and fill out the contact page. That way I'll receive it, then I can respond back with an estimate for your particular job. Then we can book the job in as time allows and as the COVID-19 epidemic subsides a bit and the restrictions are lifted. Or we can do the work in your house as long as you vacate the house while we're there, or you go away for the duration of the job. So this is Chris from Duffy Floors. If you need a virtual estimate, especially in this time, and we will stand by those estimates, give us a call at 781-395-3418 or email me at chris@duffyfloors.com or go on my website at duffyfloors.com. This is Chris from Duffy Floors, signing out.